Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious spam fried rice that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to show you the ingredients. Of course, 1.5 cups of frozen veggies, 4 eggs, 2 green onions, 2 garlic cloves, half a red onion, of course, rice, and this rice is 2 days old, soy sauce, low sodium, and sesame oil. Wake up your garlic cloves. Let me tell you, wake them up so they could really infuse your rice. Of course, when you dice it very small, it really releases all the amazing flavor of the garlic into your fried rice. Of course, all these ingredients, I am sure you have them at home. Very easy to find. Dice your red onion, your green onion. I'm going to take the edges off. I'm going to go ahead and start slicing away. I am going to use the 2 green onions, the whole thing. I am making a big pot of this amazing and delicious homemade spam fried rice. Well, here I am going to go ahead, put it aside. I'm going to continue with my 4 room temperature eggs. To this, I'm going to add a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and then I am ready to mix away and get it nice and airy, making sure that a lot of air goes into the egg. Look at this. Of course, our main ingredients, the star for this fried rice, is the spam. Yes, I'm not using the whole can of spam. I'm only using half. And I wanted to show you how I am going to cut and cube this amazing and delicious spam. You want to make sure that you slice it through the center and then slice it nice and thin and then cube it. Look at this. When you cut it the way I'm doing it now, the spam is really going to infuse the fried rice. You want to cut it in small little pieces so that it really infuses the rice, and you could see the little specks of the spam all over the fried rice. Well, here, let me show you. When you cut it this way, let me show you the pieces, how small they are. And that's exactly how you want them. Now I have everything ready to go to the stove and start making this delicious and amazing, authentic spam fried rice. You decide what kind of soy sauce. I am using low sodium, but use whatever you have at home. There's no need to go to the supermarket and get a low sodium soy sauce, whatever you have at home. When you start cooking your egg, you want to start mixing so that it gets nice and fluffy. The air really gets it really fluffy. You want to make sure that you're mixing away. Remember to have all your ingredients ready. I am using 4 cups of old rice. 2-day-old rice. I'm using 1.5 cups of frozen veggies, 2 green onions, half a red onion, 3 garlic cloves, half of the container of spam. And when the egg is really fluffy, it is time to remove it. I am going to add the spam, cook it in high heat until it becomes golden brown. Yes, golden brown. When it's golden brown, it has releases all the amazing flavor of the Spam. And that's exactly how you want it. Let me tell you, the Spam really is going to infuse the rice and all the ingredients. Of course, here when it's nice and golden brown, I am ready to add the onion. I am ready to add the garlic, the diced garlic. I am going to mix it, incorporate it really good until I smell the aroma of the garlic and the onion. When you start smelling the aroma of the garlic and the onion, then everything is infused with these amazing flavors. I'm going to add the rice. I'm going to incorporate it really good, making sure that the Spam covers all the rice. Adding the veggies, adding the soy sauce. I am adding 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and of course I am going to add the egg. Let me tell you, this Spam fried rice comes out so delicious, so amazing, that if you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Let me tell you, this is better than takeout. When you make it at home, you decide what your family really loves of the fried rice, and you add exactly what your family loves. Well, here I'm adding the green onion right on the top, and now I'm ready to plate. I want to show you how I make those large circles of rice. I pack it in when it's nice and hot. I press it down with the spatula, and then I have a plate ready so I could flip it over and show you the magic. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing Spam fried rice, you're going to say, I love Gloria. I love Cooking with Gloria. Look at this. Top it off with a little bit of Spam on the top. Remember your green onion, and remember your sesame seeds right on the top. Of course, I am going to enjoy it with the chili oil that you already have on my channel. I am ready to taste, so I'll see you in just a little bit. I am completely done with this amazing Spam fried rice, and I added some chili oil right on the top. Of course, you already have that amazing recipe of the chili oil on my channel. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Such an amazing flavor. The egg is so fluffy. The flavor of the Spam, just amazing. So delicious. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. If you like and love this amazing recipe, amazing Spam fried rice, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace. Love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing Spam fried rice. It came out amazing. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.